Have you ever wondered why life feels more stressful than ever, even though technology was supposed to make everything easier? Faster phones, faster work, faster lives. Yet the mind feels more restless. The Buddha lived thousands of years ago, but his teachings may be more relevant today than ever before. Modern stress comes from speed, pressure, comparison, and constant stimulation. The Buddha taught that stress does not come from life itself, but from how the mind clings, resists, and reacts. The world has changed, but the human mind has not. Think about your daily life. Notifications pull your attention, deadlines chase you, expectations weigh you down. The Buddha would say the problem is not activity, it is unconscious activity. When the mind is always jumping to the future or replaying the past, stress becomes constant. Ancient wisdom begins with one simple practice: awareness. The Buddha taught that when you bring attention fully into the present moment, the mind relaxes, even for a few breaths. Stress weakens the moment awareness appears because stress feeds on unconsciousness. Imagine drinking tea while checking your phone, worrying about tomorrow, and replaying yesterday's mistakes. Now imagine drinking tea with full attention, feeling the warmth, tasting each sip, breathing slowly. The activity is the same. The experience is completely different. This is how ancient wisdom works in modern life. The Buddha also taught non-attachment. In modern terms, this means learning not to tie your self-worth to results, likes, success, or approval. You still work hard. You still care. But you stop letting outcomes define your peace. When attachment loosens, pressure loosens with it. Another key teaching is responding instead of reacting. Stress often comes from automatic reactions: anger, panic, overthinking. The Buddha trained the mind to pause. That pause creates space. In that space, clarity replaces chaos. You do not need to escape the modern world to live with ancient wisdom. You bring it into emails, traffic, meetings, and relationships. One mindful breath before replying. One moment of acceptance instead of resistance. One choice to slow the mind even when life is fast. The Buddha taught that peace is not found by changing the world, but by understanding the mind that experiences it. When the mind is steady, modern stress loses its grip. If this teaching resonated, pause right now and take one slow breath. Like this video, share it with someone feeling overwhelmed, and subscribe to Inside of Buddha for more teachings that bring ancient wisdom into modern life. Because even in a fast world, a calm mind is still possible.